Good afternoon. Wednesday, August, 31st? So, goodbye, August. Hello, September. With any luck, goodbye, dog days of summer. This is, remember, a full trading week this week, but then we do have Holiday Monday next week for the holiday kind of end of summer, welcome fall, etc. But, so here's the plan. Earlier this week, we know that we started out at about 4025 in the ES and SPX 4025, and I've got a target above for you and a target below. The target above for you up here is 4130, and the target below was 3960. We hit that today. The idea is if you wanted to put, the weekly pivot's up here at 4108, so don't forget that. That's above us. And we got first of the month, new kind of money inflow potential for tomorrow, and we had a low for the week today, which was on Wednesday, for a potential midweek shuffle low today. So the idea here was, if you wanted to, you could put on a 4130 and a 3960, a 4130 call and a 3960 put fly. I do mine like 25 wide when I do them, but that's up to you. You could do them 10, 20, 25, whatever. I do mine 25 wide. And whenever it hit one of these, take it off and hold the other one for, for the ideal situation that it reverses and goes to the other one. So in this case, it went to the bottom first. So you take off the put fly. If you haven't already, you can do that tomorrow, and leave the 4130s on for Friday. And that's the plan. Now, if you need a backup plan, this is a backup plan. If the low is not in for the week, and there is some additional continuation tomorrow, this is not what I'm doing, but I'm telling you, if you need another target, if you want to remain bearish, then your next target would be this 39, call it 10, 39.10. That's a first quant support. That's an old end of quarter settle, and that is also the 618 retrace from the June lows to the August highs. So that 639 low by the 4320, whatever it was, 7 or something high, that's also a 618 retrace. So for those of you who want to hold for some additional bearish potential, then your T2 target is 39, call it 10. What I'm doing is I've met the bearish target, and so I've got 4130. No, I didn't. I did 25s. I apologize. I did 4125s, 25 wide, but it's all the same. Come on. I did 4125s, 25 wide. Got them for 50 cents. And so that's for Friday. So in order for that to work, here's what's going to have to happen. The low's in for the week. It'll reach up here. The first thing you want to see happen is it attacks 4017. All right. Breach 4017 trades 4045. 4045. 45 was important up here. It was a high the other day. Breach 45, and you would think 65, but 65 because of this high on Monday right there. I don't think so. Breach 45, and it tags the bottom of this balance right there at 75. Breach 75, and it is a lock. 41 quarter trades, above 75, 41 quarter trades. That's the way I see it anyway. What I'm telling you is what I see. To get the short cover started, it trades through this immediate initial and first overhead at 16. So 17 trade to breach the 16s to start to press the 16s. 16s breach, they go 45. 45 breaches, it goes through 65 and goes 75. 75 breaches, it goes 41 quarter. That's why I've got 41 quarter. I'll know it's underway with it starts to perk up through 16s, and I know it's underway at that point, and I'm targeting 41 quarter. So that's it. That's what I'm doing. And like I said, I got a backup plan for those that want to stay bearish and stay short or whatever. It's 39.10. If you want to hang on for that, then that's your T2 on the downside. I think the low could be in for the week right here, so I'm going to give it a chance for a bounce, and I have no idea, but the 39.60s were good for the down, so now I want to give it a chance to reverse and give some short squeeze and just like zip up there real quick and hit the 41 quarters. That's it. Be good. Enjoyed it. Hope this helps. Good night. Catch you again next update.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me